Perfect solution. Shopify Flow not working on fraud orders, Flow capturing fraud orders. When Shopify Flow is used to auto-cancel high-risk orders and auto-capture low-risk orders at the same time, both flows can trigger almost simultaneously. This causes Shopify to misfire the automation, leading to these issues. Fraud order gets captured before cancellation. You cannot void the payment. Flow shows a cancellation error. You get stuck with Shopify payment fees. The high-risk cancellation flow runs too late. This is not your mistake. It's a timing conflict inside Shopify Flow. Why this happens, real explanation. Shopify assigns risk levels, but sometimes the risk level updates a few seconds after the order is created. So this is what happened. 1, order comes in, temporarily marked as low risk. 2, your auto-capture low-risk orders flow triggers instantly, captures payment. 3, a moment later, Shopify updates the order and marks it as high risk. 4, your cancel high-risk orders flow triggers tries to cancel. 5, but cancellation fails because Shopify cannot void a captured payment. 6, Flow logs a cancellation error and the order remains captured. You lose fees. This is why the fraud order slipped through. The correct fix, 100% working. Turn off your auto-capture low-risk orders flow. Only keep the flow that cancels medium-risk orders, cancels high-risk orders. This ensures Shopify waits to finalize the risk assessment, fraud orders get canceled before payment is captured, no more cancellation errors, no more fees lost, no more flow conflicts. Once you disabled the low-risk auto-capture flow, you saw the next high-risk fraud order was canceled properly, proving this was the conflict. Touch. Recommended safe setup, best practice, use only one automated fraud detection flow. When an order is medium or high risk, automatically cancel. Leave low risk orders on manual capture or Shopify automatic capture. This prevents double triggering flows, payment getting captured before risk check, error loops, future fee losses. Final summary, short and clear. Your Shopify flow wasn't broken. The problem was 2 flows running at the same time, and the auto-capture low-risk flow triggered before Shopify updated the fraud status. Disabling the low-risk auto-capture flow solves it completely. If you want, I can also write SEO YouTube title